What does it take to repair a Navy ship? It's not for the faint of heart.
From our welders to pipe fitters, to supervisors and facility managers.
Ship repair takes craft, dedication, skill, and expertise.
It takes bravery, day in and day out, to protect those who protect us.
This is complex work with purpose.
The opportunity and the knowledge is here for anyone to make their own path.
You know, when you come to work at a shipyard, you know that you have to be a specific type of person to be able to work here. There are a lot of things that could go wrong in a shipyard, and I think that it's important that you acknowledge those, right? From a safety perspective, from a quality perspective. And so you have to be aware at all times of everything that's happening around you.
I started as an apprentice. It was the greatest 4 years of my life. Got to meet a lot of interesting people, learn things that I never thought I would ever learn. Actually able to work with my hands, which was fun.
As a Navy veteran, it means a lot because I actually served in the military and I understand what it takes to operate a ship and the repairs that will be done in the shipyard.
I'd say it's definitely a unique experience, like the experiences that I get here are something that I couldn't get anywhere else. Like, I'm around all these different people from different walks of life every day, which I didn't expect as much before I signed up, honestly, but it's cool to see.
I'm helping to defend our country because the product that I put out, the work that I do, the ethics, and my work practice, these ships, they go out to defend us. And if our quality isn't up to par, then they can't do their job, which, we all have families here and we all have loved ones. We want them to have the best so that they can defend us.
Our mission at Norfolk Ship Repair is providing safety to all of our people serving the Navy and ensuring that our work comes out seamlessly.